Hello friends, welcome to DP Studio. I have come up with a new video as for my drumhead change. This is Remo Encore Drumhead that is made in Taiwan. I will change the both of the bass drum head. At first lose the bass drum lugs. My bass drum have 10 lugs. Lose all of the lugs with your drum key. Then remove all of the screws by your hand. First clean up your drums. This is the old and this is the Remo head. This is the sound. Difference. This is only a plastic. When all the screws are in place, press the top of the bass drum skin and tighten the screws with your drum key. The same process is used to mount the drum head on the other side. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.